time to repot your tomatoes, and you want to know why, when, and how. In this upcoming video, I'm going to give you the answers to those questions as well as a live demo on how to repot tomatoes. So, why repot? Why don't we just put them outside? If you live in the climate that I live in, you're going to wait a long time to plant those seeds and an even longer time to get your fruit. Okay, so why not put them in this size container? We're looking for the healthiest tomatoes we can get, and when we repot more often, you get a healthier tomato. So for that reason, I'm going to actually go to a smaller pot first, and then at a later time, I'm going to go to the larger pot. When to repot? Well, we're doing it today, and the reason I know that is because my plants have their first true set of leaves. And I'm not talking about the small leaves, I'm talking about the actual tomato leaves. How to repot. Before I get into how you do it, if you can come in here closer, and if you look at the stem of the tomato plant, it has what looks like little hairs on it. The roots can actually grow out of those hairs, and so for that reason, I'm going to actually plant these as low as possible right up to the leaves so that the root system can get stronger and you get stronger plants. So let's begin. I'm going to start by adding a little potting mix, okay? And then I'm going to carefully get the tomato out of the container. I'm going to pop it out. Don't want to damage it. Here's the tomato. I'm putting it into the container. Bring it over here. And I'm just going to add potting mix around it. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, we've got the potting mix in. I'm just gonna settle it down. Actually pushed it down. I'm gonna add a little bit more. So like I said, the tomato plant is now buried right up to the top leaves. We finished repotting. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.